Welcome, everyone. Today marks a significant day in the gaming universe, September 11, 2024. Get ready because we are officially launching the first wave of the highly anticipated Portal 99. This is not just another update, it's a revolutionary experience that promises to reshape the gaming landscape as we know it. So what exactly is Portal 99? This groundbreaking game transports players into a mesmerizing world filled with intricate puzzles, mind-bending challenges, and a rich narrative that pulls you in from the very start. Developed by the visionary team this title has been in the works for years, and the excitement is palpable as we finally get our hands on it. Let's dive into some of the key features that make Portal 99 a must-play title. First, we have the innovative portal mechanics that allow players to manipulate space and time. Imagine solving puzzles by creating portals that warp you to different dimensions. This feature not only challenges your problem-solving skills, but also keeps the gameplay fresh and engaging. Next up, the immersive storytelling. The narrative unfolds through rich character interactions and beautifully crafted environments. Players will encounter a diverse cast of characters, each with their own backstories and motivations, making the world feel alive and interconnected. But that's not all. Portal 99 also offers an exciting multiplayer experience. Team up with friends or challenge them in competitive modes. Whether you're working together to solve intricate puzzles or racing against each other to complete levels, the multiplayer aspect adds a whole new layer of fun to the game. The developers are committed to fostering a vibrant community around Portal 99. Regular events, challenges, and updates will keep players engaged long after the initial release. Plus, the community feedback will play a crucial role in shaping future content, ensuring that the game evolves based on what players want to see. As we count down the hours to the launch, the excitement is palpable. Fans all around the globe are gearing up for the first wave of Portal 99. Special launch events are taking place in major cities with live streams, giveaways, and exclusive in-game content for those who participate. Looking ahead, the developers have shared their ambitious plans for expansions and DLCs. Players can expect new worlds, challenges, and storylines to explore in the coming months. The team has hinted at a rich lore that will unfold over time, making it an exciting journey for both new and returning players. As we stand on the brink of this new adventure, we can't help but feel the enthusiasm surrounding Portal 99. This game is more than just a release. It's a celebration of creativity, collaboration, and community in the gaming world. So gear up, gather your friends, and prepare to dive into the extraordinary universe that awaits. Stay tuned for more updates, gameplay tips, and community highlights as we embark on this thrilling journey together. Remember, the first wave of Portal 99 arrives today, September 11, 2024. Let the adventure begin. To give you a deeper understanding of what went into creating Portal 99, we had the chance to sit down with some of the developers from PES. Their passion and dedication are palpable as they share insights into the creative process behind the game. Developer 1, we wanted to push the boundaries of what players expect from a puzzle game. The idea of portals isn't new, but we aimed to innovate how they interact with the environment and the narrative. Developer 2, every element in the game, from the ski to the sound design, was crafted with the player experience in mind. We wanted it to feel immersive, almost like living in a dream where every detail matters. Customization plays a significant role in Portal 99. Players can personalize their characters with a variety of skins, outfits, and gear that not only look great but also provide unique abilities tailored to different playstyles. This feature allows players to express themselves while also enhancing gameplay strategies. Whether you prefer a stealthy approach or a more aggressive playstyle, the customization options ensure that everyone can find their perfect fit. One of the most exciting aspects of Portal 99 is its cross-platform play. No matter what device you're on, PC, console, or even mobile, you can team up with friends and tackle challenges together. This feature not only broadens the player base, but also enhances the sense of community. Imagine teaming up with friends who are playing on different systems, solving puzzles and completing challenges without any barriers. This is the future of gaming, and Portal Del 99 is leading the charge. For those who dive into Portal Del 99 during the first wave, there are exclusive in-game items waiting for you. From unique skins to special abilities, these items are designed to enhance your gameplay experience and offer your early commitment to the game. Be sure to log in early to claim these rewards and stand out in the community. The developers are keen on establishing a feedback loop with the community. Players are encouraged to share their experiences, suggestions, and even report bugs. This proactive approach ensures that Portal Del 99 will continuously evolve based on player input. By actively engaging with the community, the developers are not just creating a game, they are building a living, breathing ecosystem that thrives on collaboration and innovation. As we look to the future, the possibilities for Portal Del 99 are endless. The team has hinted at new gameplay mechanics, additional storylines, and even seasonal events that will keep the game fresh and exciting. Players can look forward to regular updates that will introduce new challenges and experiences, ensuring that Portal Del 99 remains a staple in the gaming community for years to come. The excitement around Portal Del 99 has already sparked a wave of creativity among fans. From stunning fan art to elaborate cosplay, the community is embracing the game in ways that go beyond just playing. The developers are encouraging this creativity, with plans to feature community creations in future updates. Who knows? You might see your artwork or ideas represented in the game itself. As we stand on the brink of this new adventure, we can't help but feel the enthusiasm surrounding Portal Del 99. This game is more than just a release. It's a celebration of creativity, collaboration, and community in the gaming world. So gear up, gather your friends, and prepare to dive into the extraordinary universe that awaits. Stay tuned for more updates, gameplay tips, and community highlights as we embark on this thrilling journey together. Remember, the first wave of Portal Del 99 arrives today, September 11, 2024. Let the adventure begin. As we wrap up today's exciting journey into the world of the 99 Portal, let's recap the key points we've covered. We explored the significance of the date, delving into the energies it brings and how they can impact our lives. We discussed the unique opportunities for personal growth and transformation that this portal up, emphasizing the importance of setting intentions and embracing change. Additionally, we highlighted the collective power of community as we navigate these potent energies together. Remember, this is just the beginning. The 11th of September marks a pivotal moment for all of us, and we encourage you to harness the waves of energy to manifest your dreams and aspirations. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. We appreciate your support and engagement. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Until next time, stay to the possibilities and embrace the magic of the universe. Signing off and wishing you all a transformative experience on this special day.